YouTube, what's going on? Got my hands on this here magnetic bracelet for tools, screws, pretty much anything metal. It even comes with a little pocket on it. So got it off Amazon, small little fee, and it comes in handy. I definitely opened it already and tested it out, but this is like an official unboxing. So got some paperwork, which you know I don't read or use. I read instructions in secret. Okay, so it's nothing else on it. So this thing is like a one size fits most, not all. You see, you have here's a little pocket, pretty deep. You know, this can hold non-metal items so that you don't have to keep on reaching or looking for stuff. So let's open it. Putting this thing on was kind of weird, but I realized that it had something to do with this thing right here. So I believe you hold this like such. Let's see, because it didn't come with, there we go. Didn't come with no instructions for real, for real. So once you get that on, boom. So you pretty much got it on. So let's see. Pretty strong magnet. Come on, stop rolling around. So you see, keep your tools handy, keep your screws, nuts, bolts, all that kind of stuff. And I probably don't got it on all the way the right way, but like I said, there's a little pocket for small tool storage or whatever you may need to put in there. And that way, you know, you're good to go while you're working. This is just a quick little video to show you the use of it. I think this thing has like 10 strong magnets in it. And it's pretty dope. I mean, so if you're in the field where you need to have tools and screws and nuts and bolts and all kinds of metal and whatnot, this would definitely come in handy for you. I suggest you check it out via the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. I'll check you guys out in my next video. I'm out of here.